Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, the Phabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now listen, Phabulous fam. I was home when my son burst through the door with this wonderful package from our good friend Thelisha. That's how Josh calls her. He says, "Mom, you got a box from Miss Thelisha of We're Baking and Crafting Meat." So Thelisha, thank you so much for sending this. I have no idea what's in it, and I never can quite tell because you have the gift of surprising us, but let me just say this, and I'm not going to go into the details of why I say what I say. This box, whatever is in it, could not have come at a better time, because today has been one of those days where, normally there's issues that happen inside the home that have me going crazy, but today is one of those days where it's everything that's happening outside of the doors that is challenging me. Okay, so that being said, thank you so much for sharing. I know she had said she was sending the box out to me and the other part of the Crafty Trinity, Miss Sonia Stover. So let us look. I cut the sides off. I haven't peeked inside to see what we got, but let me see. Ooh, I can already. Oh, let me smell if there's any chocolate in here. I'm just kidding. Thelisha, I know you said it wasn't going to be the chocolate in here, but I got to try you. Okay, so hey, Miss Fam, I hope you have fun with this. Thelisha, P.S. Added some. Oh, her son added something for Josh, his Ninja Boy character. Ooh, okay, I'll let Josh see that. I'm not bringing him in here because I need to, relish in this excitement by myself. He'll see it later. But thank you, Theron, so much for thinking of my baby. I appreciate you. Okay, so Thelisha, is this waxed paper? Oh my, why does that smell so amazing? Oh, this is gonna be, y'all, I don't know if you guys can see, this is going to be so fun to work with. Why does it smell so amazing? This kind of looks like when Artie Mays did the beeswax. I think it was beeswax and pellets or something like that, and changed the. Oh, this is cute. This looks like the Tim Holtz. Is this the Tim Holtz? It looks like it. Oh my gosh! I think I just purchased this stamp set. If this is the Tim Holtz stamp set, it kind of looks like it is. Look at me trying to figure everything out. But oh, this is gorgeous as it is. Oh, something smells wonderful. Okay. Fussy cut me stickers. Okay, so we've got a roll of stickers. Oh my gosh, the goodie pack is amazing. Butterflies. Everyone knows I can color these too. Everyone knows I love the butterflies. Everyone does. Thanks, Thelisha. Okay, put that off to the side. Oh my gosh. Oh, looking for Joshua. I'm gonna make Josh put this in his amazing sticker book. He has a composition notebook. It's literally called the Amazing Sticker Book, and that's what we refer to it as. Okay, that's so cute. Let me slide this off to the side for him. He can craft with that. Okay, so what do we have here? This looks like washi. I'm not gonna take this apart, but I don't know if you can see that. This is like a subscription box that I didn't sign up for. Coffee, dye, do it. I'm not gonna take this apart because I don't want to ruin it, and I will because I'm heavy-handed. Oh, and you know what, Thelisha? I don't have a lot of doilies. Well, you know what? I do, but I don't have a lot of variety like this. This is pretty. Ooh, I can't wait. I think I'm going to use that in the upcoming journal. Okay, let me pull this stuff out of here so I can see what we have. Ooh, flat back gold embellishments. Oh, I love that. And then we've got the pearl. Then we've got the silver. I'm sorry, but why do I feel like I want to turn this into some jewelry? You know what I mean? Like, this has got nothing to do with crafting, but I just feel like this just will make a really cute bracelet for me. I can't be the only one that feels this way. Okay. I'm digressing here. I know y'all not here for all of that, but you're here, and I thank ya. Okay, love it. Okay, so then we have this is another one of those stamp numbers. Smells beautiful. This is, look at that. This is one of the clusters she made on her channel, and I fell in love. I loved the randomness of it and all of the different layers. I always say her layers is just, her layer work. If you're watching it in the beginning, you have no idea what direction she's going to go with it, but you keep watching, because when she's done, you're going to be like, oh. Now look at how the colors kind of, you know what I mean? Like, my mind wouldn't be able to work with this color. And bring this together. Probably with a black and a white, but I wouldn't, like I would attempt it with a black and a white, but I wouldn't be able to bring all of them together in my mind. So I might not have attempted it. But I love it with the cheesecloth, or at least it feels like it. I've never had cheesecloth, so I wouldn't know. Okay. Ooh. I think this is it's a paper clip. Oh, it's a paper clip. Oh yeah. That is Thelisha. I love this. Love it. And then here is a second one. This can be turned into a pocket. There's stitching on here. Look at here. So there's stitching on here. There's a couple of butterflies. Look at those two fairies kissing over the mushroom. Isn't that adorable? And a little flower petal and all of the amazing layers. And then some, what is this? It looks like some, like a jelly print page. Am I right, Thelisha? Is that a jelly print page? You know, we watch so many of one another's videos that we forget what comes from where. But we have seen it while it's taking place. Okay, and then last but not least, we got some pages to work through. I'm so glad you sent this, because I am getting ready to swap some of these pages out for my sister friend journal. I got some real, some not so fabulous papers in there. Or I'm going to use this in the sister friend journal. Because, look at that. Oh, wait a minute. No. These are the colors for for the collaboration. So now I'll be using this in the collaboration journal. And if you haven't already seen that, it's probably the video before this one. So check that out. Okay, I'll put to that flip through over there in the corner, because y'all will see that video for our vintage summer road trip collaboration. Okay, that aired the video before this one. So I'm not going to use this for the sister friend journal. I'm going to use this in the one I just mentioned. So I am super uber duper excited about this, and I love to have some new stuff to play with. I don't even know. Thelisha, drop in the comments and let us know what this is. What did you do to get it looking like that? It looks like leather, but it definitely feels like paper, and it smells heavenly, if I do say so myself. Ooh. It's good to have some crafty friends. Let me tell you, I prayed for crafty friends. I did. And God sent me so far. My son's godmother, she is actually, I'll be going over there later on this week to craft with her, or play like we're crafting, because we'll probably just sit around and run our mouths and not get nothing done. But I did, about a year and a half ago, I prayed for the Lord to send me some crafty friends, and so here we have it. I have a few friends that I actively communicate with throughout the week. Look at him. Ooh. Thanks, Theron. Joshua, thank you. And while I have you guys here, if you like, I'm going to show you who I have recently started watching. Well, I haven't recently started watching, but this is who I always like to share one or two channels as often as I can. But this is Bevies Planning and Crafting. I'll drop a link below. But she's got some good things happening on her channel. So journals and paper crafting and planners. If you're a planner girl, you might want to hang out over there. And hey, Miss Bev, if you're watching, hey, just wanted to give you a little shout out there. Anyways, guys, I want to thank you so much for stopping by, sharing in the wonderful gifts that I received. And stay tuned for what's coming up. We've got the Sister Friend Journal, and we've also have the Vintage Summer Road Trip Journal that we'll be working on. And also don't forget, on Saturdays or Sundays, it'll be the color and chat. And I hope to have this Friday my number 2 date with a jelly plate. Okay, it just depends on if this week is crazy or not. It's already crazy, but if I can squeeze some time in here for y'all, I most certainly will. So anyways, Thelisha, thank you so much for all my wonderful goodies, and keep an eye on your mailbox because yours should be coming up soon too. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching, and until we're back here again on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty, and if you feel so inclined to go get that vaccination, feel free to do so. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.